You know what's fascinating? The luxury home renovation market has completely transformed, with places like Cary, North Carolina, ranking second nationally for home improvements. Their residents are investing nearly 14% of their property values into making their homes amazing.
That's such an interesting trend. What's driving all this investment in home renovations?
Well, it's this whole evolution of what people expect from home services now. Take kitchen remodeling, it's moved way beyond just picking out cabinets. We're seeing this emergence of white glove services where homeowners are getting returns of 65 to 80% on their investments.
Hold on. What exactly makes a service white glove? Because that sounds like just a fancy marketing term.
So here's what's wild about it. These services are treating kitchen cabinets like they're priceless artifacts. They use climate controlled vehicles, specialized handling teams, and they won't just dump everything at your curb like regular delivery services.
Mm-hmm. But that must add quite a bit to the total cost, right?
You'd think so, but here's the surprising part. The white glove service is actually just a small percentage of the overall project cost. When you're looking at mid-range renovations, running $35,000 to $55,000, and luxury remodels hitting $120,000 or more, the extra care makes a lot of sense.
Those numbers are huge. What exactly are people getting for that kind of investment?
Well, imagine having a personal concierge for your kitchen remodel. You get one point of contact who handles everything, from the initial design to the final inspection. They even provide real-time updates with precise delivery windows, so you're not sitting around wondering when crews will show up.
That level of communication must make such a difference in reducing stress during the renovation.
Exactly, and check this out. They're using some pretty advanced technology too. They offer free VR 3D design services that would normally cost hundreds of dollars elsewhere. You can literally walk through your new kitchen virtually before a single cabinet is ordered.
So, if someone's considering this kind of service, what should they expect for timeline?
Most projects run between 6 to 12 weeks. But here's an interesting case. I was reading about a customer in Cary who had their entire kitchen transformed in just 2 weeks before Christmas, though that's definitely not typical.
That's incredibly fast. What about the actual materials they're using?
This is where it gets really interesting. They're offering everything from basic particle board to high-end solid wood cabinets. But what's clever is they're part of this network of 16 locations across multiple states, so they can get better pricing on premium materials through bulk purchasing.
Hmm, that's actually pretty smart. Combining national buying power with local expertise.
And speaking of local expertise, the Cary market is particularly interesting because it's become this hotbed for home improvement. The data shows that over 80% of customers in this area are willing to pay premium prices for enhanced service levels.
That's fascinating. Do you think this trend is going to spread to other markets?
Well, we're already seeing similar patterns in other high value real estate markets. But what's unique about Cary is how they're approaching the whole customer experience. They're not just selling cabinets, they're selling peace of mind.
You know what's interesting about that? It really reflects how consumer expectations have evolved. People aren't just buying products anymore, they're buying experiences.
Right. And here's a perfect example. They provide ongoing maintenance guidance and support, even after the project is complete. It's like having a warranty that actually means something.
That kind of service must create some pretty loyal customers.
Oh, absolutely. And the reviews reflect that. I was reading about one customer who said the team handled some unexpected challenges during their renovation without missing a beat. No extra charges, no drama, just solved the problem and moved forward.
That's really what you want to hear when you're considering a major renovation.
And here's something else that caught my attention. They're actually helping protect property values in the area. When you have professionals handling these high-end renovations, it raises the bar for the entire neighborhood.
That makes sense. Quality renovations can have a ripple effect on surrounding property values.
Exactly. And with the current housing market, many homeowners are choosing to invest in their existing homes rather than try to buy something new. These white glove services are making that decision a lot more appealing.
It's really changing the whole renovation landscape, isn't it?
You know what's really interesting? This might actually be the future of home improvement. As more people work from home and invest in their living spaces, this kind of high touch service could become the new normal.
That's a great point. Our homes are serving so many more purposes now than they used to.
And that's exactly why these services are gaining traction. When your kitchen isn't just for cooking anymore, when it's also your home office, your kids' homework space, and your entertainment area, the investment in getting it exactly right makes a lot more sense.
Well, this has certainly given me a new perspective on home renovation services.
You know what they say? Sometimes paying a bit more upfront can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And in this case, it seems like that extra investment is paying off for homeowners in more ways than one.